Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down to find the system, and here we have all of the gestures. Now let's check how they work. First one being double press power key, and here you can choose to either launch assistant or a camera. There's also option to basically make it none so that it won't have any functions. Let's go for the camera and now double press the power key like this. And now we have a camera, so that function works fine. Let's move on. Next is system navigation, and here you can pick how you will navigate through your phone. There's gesture navigation and 3 button navigation. I have 3 buttons, so you can navigate your phone with this 3 buttons, or if you choose gestures, you can move by doing different gestures like this to go back, and yeah, that's basically it. Next one is prevent ringing, and enter the setting to enable it. And you can use the power key and volume up key together to change your phone into vibrate mode or mute mode. Let's go for a mute and press on the power and the volume up key at the same time. And here you can see that we just changed into mute mode. Next one is 3 finger screenshot, so you can put your 3 fingers onto the screen to make a screenshot. And last is a fast flashlight. If you enable it, you'll be able to enable flashlight, but by making something like this. And most of the time it doesn't work, but now I actually made it, so yeah. You can turn on or off your flashlight by just performing a handshake or a karate chop, or yeah. And that's basically all of the gestures on this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.